For today's video nga ay dadayo ako sa Pasig para puntahan ng kauna-unahang physical store ni Tatay Marco.
Welcome to Tatay Empanada Physical Store!
Siya ngayon nag-trending na nagtitinda ng fried empanada sa Pasig. Na-feature na din pala siya ni Miss Lane Bernardo at Senator Raffy Tulfo. Buti na nga lang may isang tao na tumulong sa kanya na si Miss Carrie kaya nakapagpatayo siya ng physical store. Meron pala siyang 5 flavor dito ng empanada gaya nga ng ham and cheese, tuna, spicy tuna, chicken, at spicy chicken. Dito nga lang yan sa may Tatay Empanada na located nga sa may harap ng San Joaquin Pasig Elementary School. Kaya pag napadaan kayo dito, ay bumili na kayo kay Tatay Marco.
Disappoint me, just come here, check it out, and taste our delicious empanadas and cookies. Okay, thank you very much. And
thank you,
God bless
sir.
You all.
Empanada. Hi, Tatay Marco! I'm here na! Yay! Oh, we have many visitors out here, right?
Yeah.
Hi guys, you wanna buy empanada of Tatay Empanada? It's Tatay Marco here. So how's the Tay? How's the selling price? Selling?
It's 25 pesos only for one piece, but they have a nice filling. We have 5 flavors to offer. We have classic chicken, spicy chicken, spicy tuna, classic tuna, and also the favorites, ham and cheese.
Wow!
And despite on this,
there's a new.
We have also some yummy cookies, big like my hands, like the palm of my hand. For 12 pieces, only one piece. I can show you. These are the big cookies.
12 pesos each?
12 pesos each.
It's only for 12 pesos and you have a social cookie, ah?
Yeah.
The social cookie. Uy, Darna, ba't nandito ka na naman?
Ay, me? Because you know, if someone need my help, I'm here. So, Tatay need my help to sell the... Oh my God, my English is good! Yes. So, I'm here to come to sell the empanada for the day. Because if someone needs my help, Darla G is here!
Yeah.
Parang may nakarasyo, may ngayon sa empanadahan ka na.
I'm going to appreciate every help what I can get.
Wow.
So for that, it's much easier and more fun when we can work together.
Yes.
Tatay
Marco, the empanada guy, and Dora G, the empanada girl.
Yay!
Exactly. Check it out and don't miss the opportunity. Come here and buy our delicious empanada.
Uy guys ha, di lang yun. Pag gusto nyo tikman to at nasa malayo kang lugar, napakadali, napaka-easy. Hindi ako magdi-deliver kasi, you know, the sky is very mainit. So, pwede kayo umorder dito sa may TikTok shop. At hindi lang yun, may Lalamove at Grab. Ganun na kasosyal si Tatay Marco, di ba? Napakadali ng umorder para tikman mo ang masarap na empanada. Because my nose is bleeding, that's why English is that, Tagalog,
Okay. And you can order also directly on Facebook, not only on TikTok, from our Tatay Empanada official page.
Yun.
And
just
you can order
there
directly there, and we will answer any order, whoever questions.
Thank you po, Tagalog yun. Siyempre, bawat Pilipino ay nagtutulungan. At hindi lang Pilipino yun because Tatay is Apam.
Apam
natin.
Apam. Ito nga guys, una natin titikman yung ham and cheese niya. Ito daw yung best seller nila dito. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Oh, di ba? May cheese talaga, tapos may ham, oh, yan, oh. Tapos, pwede mo siyang isawsaw dito sa cheese. O kaya, ano, hot sauce. Guys, oh. Top them. Pangayo, ah. Kaya pala ito yung best seller nila. Kasi talagang laki ng cheese, oh. Kasi matin sa ano, hot sauce. Mas okay siya sa hot sauce. Sarap. Ito nga guys yung kanilang cookies, oh. 12 pesos lang to, laki na, oh. Di ba? Panalo na. Tapos may ano, choco chip sa taas. Tikman natin. Sarap nito. May alam biro. Kasabay ito sa mga ano, ha. Mga nabibilan yung mamahaling cookies. Sarap, ha. Biro nyo sa 12 pesos, makakatikim na kayo ng ganito kasarap na cookies. Solid dito, guys.